Microsoft Office is widely known for handling everyday tasks like typing up documents, creating presentations, or crunching numbers for expenses. Its user-friendly design makes it easy for most people to navigate. But here's the catch. It doesn't come cheap. Depending on your subscription plan, you might end up paying a significant amount either monthly or annually. That's why in today's video, we're diving into 7 free alternatives to Microsoft Office that are surprisingly effective. Starting at number 7, we have Apache OpenOffice, an open-source software compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. It's straightforward and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. OpenOffice allows you to open and edit Microsoft Office files, as it supports a wide range of common file formats like XML, DOC, and PPT. Unlike Microsoft Office, this software is small in size, enabling it to run efficiently on low-spec computers. While OpenOffice doesn't receive frequent updates, it remains a reliable option for handling everyday tasks. And best of all, it's completely free. Google Workspace is a cloud-based alternative to Microsoft Office, offering a suite of 8 products, including alternatives to PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. These tools can be accessed via any web browser or through a mobile app, and all you need is a Google account to use them. Google Workspace is compatible with Microsoft Office file formats, ensuring smooth collaboration. Additionally, it provides a variety of free templates, similar to those available in Word and PowerPoint. Users can easily share, edit, and view files with others, making it a versatile platform for teamwork and productivity. In the 5th place, we have Zoho Docs, is an online platform similar to Microsoft Office, offering 5 GB of free cloud storage and a maximum file upload limit of 1 GB. Teams of up to 5 members can use Zoho Docs for free. With this software suite, users can create spreadsheets, presentations, and documents, just like in Microsoft Office. It provides all the essential features expected from any Office application. Additionally, frequent updates are a significant advantage, ensuring continuous improvement and new functionalities. FreeOffice is a great alternative to Microsoft Office. It is a cross-platform suite that includes 3 main tools: TextMaker for word processing, PlanMaker for spreadsheets, and Presentations for slideshows. These tools provide similar features to those found in Microsoft Office, making it easy to switch over. The interface closely resembles Microsoft Office as well, thanks to customizable menus and ribbons, which give users a familiar experience. Additionally, FreeOffice offers some unique features, such as spell checks, cross-references, and footnotes. It's available on both computers and Android devices, and its compatibility with Microsoft Office file formats ensures that you can easily share files without needing to convert them. Coming in 3rd place and earning a bronze medal, WPS Office is a popular alternative to Microsoft Office, widely used due to its free availability across various platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's also compatible with Android and iOS devices, allowing for a seamless experience on mobile. Its lightweight file size makes it ideal for computers with limited storage space. WPS Office features an interface with tabs and ribbons that closely resemble Microsoft Office, making it user-friendly for newcomers. One of its convenient features is the ability to open documents, spreadsheets, and presentations within the same window, similar to a desktop browser. In 2nd place is OnlyOffice, a suite of applications available in both free and paid versions, compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Like Google Workspace, it allows team collaboration, enabling users to edit, suggest, and view files together. Since its source code is available on GitHub, anyone can access and modify it. The interface closely resembles Microsoft Office, making it easy to learn for most users. While there may be occasional minor formatting issues, OnlyOffice remains an excellent Office suite overall. Libreoffice is our top alternative on the list. Like many other options in this roundup, it is open source and available across multiple platforms. The suite includes 6 different applications, offering alternatives to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. In addition to these core programs, it provides tools for vector graphics, databases, and mathematics. LibreOffice has also significantly improved its file compatibility. Moreover, a wide variety of free templates can be downloaded directly from its website. Thank you for watching. Those were the 7 free Microsoft Office alternatives that are actually good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos.